everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your WhatsApp unable to connect please try again problem. So to solve this problem, first of all you have to go to your Play Store and search for your WhatsApp on your device. After that, if there is any update available on your WhatsApp, then you have to update your app. After that, you have to long press on your WhatsApp, go for the eye icon, and here on the eye icon on the bottom you can see the clear data option. Go for that and you have to clear all your data and cache here. So if that also doesn't solve your problem, then you have to fully force stop your app. After that, you have to check your internet connection problem. If you are unable to connect, then you have to change your mobile data. Then you have to change your Wi-Fi to mobile data and mobile data to Wi-Fi. So this might also help you to fix that problem. So that's the process how to fix your WhatsApp unable to connect please try again problem on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.